In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Loom video with Google Slides. This process is straightforward and will allow you to create engaging presentations that can easily be shared with your audience. Let's jump right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Slides. On your screen, you will see a search bar where you can type in Google Slides. Once you do this, press Enter and wait for the results to load. This action is essential because it prepares you to access the platform where you will create your presentation. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, click on the correct link that appears in your search results. You should look for the official Google Slides link, which usually starts with docs.google.com. When you click this link, it will take you directly to the Google Slides interface. This step is crucial. Accessing the correct platform ensures that you have all the tools you need to create and record your presentation effectively. Now log in if prompted. You may need to enter your Google account credentials. This is important for accessing your saved presentations and ensuring that all your work is securely stored in the cloud. Once logged in, you will have full access to all your slides and can start creating or editing your presentation. After logging in, pull up your target slide deck. This means navigating to the presentation you want to record. You can find it in your Google Drive or recent documents. This step matters because having the correct slide deck ready will streamline the recording process. It allows you to focus on delivering your content without the distraction of searching for the right file. Next up, click the Loom extension icon in your browser toolbar. This icon usually looks like a red video camera. By clicking it, you are initiating the recording process. It's important to ensure that the Loom extension is installed beforehand. If you don't have it, you won't be able to record your video. With the Loom extension open, select either screen and camera to include a webcam bubble, or screen only if you prefer just to share your screen. You can also set your capture area to full screen or current tab. This flexibility allows you to customize your recording based on your needs. Choosing the right setting is essential as it enhances viewer engagement by allowing them to see your face or just the slides. Now click Start Recording and choose the screen or tab you want to share. After you make your selection, you will see a 3-second countdown on your screen. This countdown gives you a moment to prepare. It's designed to help you get ready so that you can start your presentation smoothly without any awkward pauses. Once the recording starts, click Slideshow in the upper right corner of Google Slides to present full screen. This action makes your slides the main focus of the presentation, ensuring that viewers can see the details clearly. Presenting in full screen creates a more professional appearance and keeps your audience engaged. When you have finished your presentation, it's time to stop the recording. Click the Stop button, which appears as a red square or check mark on the left side control menu. Doing this will save your recording automatically. Your video will then load in your Loom library, ready for you to review and share. This final step is important as it ensures that all your hard work is preserved, making it easy to access later. And there you have it. You have successfully recorded a Loom video using Google Slides. This process allows you to create impactful presentations that can be easily shared with others. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.